today's lesson there are some numbers on the board. Can you read these numbers? We'll try to read these numbers. We'll take the first number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in earlier lesson you learned there are zones. We put numbers into 3 sets into forms, zones or periods. Here first one, this is unit zone. Second one is in thousand zone. Next one is in million zone. Then we can read this is in standard form. We can read this number as 2,450,000. This is the way we are going to read this number, 2,450,000. That is in unit zone, this is in thousand zone, this is in millions zone. Second, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is in standard form. Then this set is in unit zone, this set is in thousand zone, this set is in millions zone. Then we can read easily 305,006,900. Again 305,006,900. That is the way we can read this number. We'll move to the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits. This is in standard form. This is in unit zone. This is in thousand zone. This is in millions zone. Then 4 million and 1. This is the way, 4 million and 1. We'll move to the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number is written in standard form. Then we can read this easily. This is in unit zone. This is in thousand zone. This set is in million zone. This set is in billions zone. Then how many billions? 95 billion, 1 million and 2. 95 billion, 1 million and 2. We'll move to the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 digits are here. Number is written in standard form. Then we can read. This is the first zone, unit zone, thousand zone, million zone, billions zone. How many billions are here? 592 billion, 375 million, 291,678. Again 592 billion, 375 million, 291,678. That is the way we can read these numbers. Shall we move to the first one again? 2,450,000. Here also same. 305,006,900. Third one 4 million and 1. Next one 95 billion, 1 million and 2. Next one 592 billion, 375 million, 291,678.